Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to reset your password in Mobile Legends. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Mobile Legends game on your mobile device and ensure it is updated. Now, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner and a new window will appear. From here, navigate to the Account tab at the bottom, then select Account Center on the right side. Next, tap on the Change Moonton Password button and request a verification code. Once you receive the code, enter it and set your new password. After that, your password will be successfully updated. Another way to reset your password is by tapping on your profile picture at the top again, selecting Account, and then choosing Switch Account. Now, tap on the Moonton account tile and select Forgot Password. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process and regain access to your account. So that's basically how you can reset your password in Mobile Legends. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.